During the repainting work, different problems may arise that will force the professional to repeat the painting process. One of the most common defects is what is known as orange peel. This problem is caused by the lack of stretching or levelling of the paint, resulting in a wrinkled surface similar to an orange peel. Its appearance may be due to different factors. We must correctly regulate the application equipment in pressure, product flow and fan pattern based on the specifications in the technical data sheet in order to obtain a homogeneous and even spray. Too much product load per coat and too much distance from the spray gun to the workpiece will result in a less even coating. Depending on the ambient temperature, the choice of hardener and solvent to be applied should be adapted according to its drying speed. Another cause may be an excessive viscosity of the mixture, which will also imply a high application viscosity. To solve this, we can lower the viscosity by slightly increasing the dilution of the mixture. A correct preparation of the base respecting the drying times and obtaining an even surface will be essential if we want to prevent the appearance of orange peel. If the defect is only present on the surface area of the part, first sand the area with P1200 or P1500 sandpaper. Once the surface has been sanded, proceed to clean the dust generated with a degreaser and microfiber cloth. Subsequently, we will apply a quick cut polish with the polishing machine, thus ensuring a homogeneous pressure and movement. If the thickness of the defect is excessive, the surface must be prepared for the complete painting process. Sand the surface until the damage is removed, then apply the primer filler and the top coat.